Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you guys easily how can you get Discord Nitro for free from your own bed without having to do any big effort basically. So let's jump right into it. First, we won't be using the app, so go to your browser and Google Discord quests. Open the first result, it should be by Discord itself, and then from this website go ahead and tap on get started right in the middle. You'll be taken to a page that looks like this where you need to fill up your information. Sometimes you don't even have to. If you're lucky enough, I'll show you how can you find it in your Discord app where you are already logged in very easily without having to fill up any information like this. Anyways, try first from the browser because it's guaranteed that you're gonna have it from here, and on the app some users might not. So once you're done from here and tap on submit, you can continue to the website and I'll show you what you will be able to do. As you can see, back to the website, you'll have some quests or basically tasks that you can complete. Very easy tasks, from watching ads to watching some parts of streams or shows or whatever, and you can go ahead and redeem the points you get to get free Nitro. Let me show you from the app how it's going to look like. So you open your Discord app and you have to be logged in, and then let's go to your profile by tapping your profile in the bottom right here. Go to settings by tapping the icon in the top right corner, and then from here go ahead and tap on quests right there. In quests, here it is guys, you can go ahead and watch ads, watch shows as I said, watch some people play or something like that. You basically complete some tiny easy tasks that shouldn't take a lot of your time, and once you want to redeem the points that you earn from completing the tasks, you tap on redeem right here. It takes you to this place where you basically find the Nitro in the top left, the top option right here, 3-day Nitro credit. You tap on it. As you can see, for 1,400 points basically you can redeem and get Nitro for 3 days for free. So basically you can keep having Nitro for free forever once you keep completing the tasks that shouldn't take a lot of your time. That's for the first option. The second option, you go to Google and Google Microsoft Rewards, and then open the Microsoft Rewards website. Make sure you're logged into your Microsoft account right here, and it's the same concept, just a little bit different. So you watch or you complete the tasks that Microsoft has for you here in this page. You get points or basically coins or something like that. As you can see, these are some of the tasks that you can complete, and once you're done you can redeem the points or the coins you get from here to get a Microsoft gift card, and using that gift card you can get Nitro for free on your Discord account. And it's gonna be kind of easier because Microsoft pays well basically, and you can use the gift card on whatever you want, including getting Nitro for free. Now that's when it comes to Microsoft Rewards. You can also Google Discord promotions and open this website where you find promotions and the location of promotions. So basically some people try to use VPN to change their location and get those promotions. So basically it's not for free, but you get Nitro for way cheaper. You can use that at your own risk and you can try that as well. That's it for this video guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and as always, thank you very much for watching.